There are people out there that don't have simple skills. And the factor is they don't know how to do things properly. They just don't. And you must wonder, why don't you know how to do things properly? Like, one of the things they don't know how to do is pump gas into a car. Or as I've shown you in my previous video of how to peel a cucumber. I mean, some people don't know how to do that. Well, I got a new thing that people don't know how to do, and I hope you enjoy it. Hi, I'm Jay Simkowitz, and welcome back to Cooking with Jay Simkowitz. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly pour water into a glass. Yes, that is correct. I hope you laugh at this. I hope you spill from the side of your stomach because you're laughing so hard at this, because this is ridiculous. People not knowing how to literally pour water into a glass. So, what you're going to need is a glass and a jug full of water. Yes, that is correct. It is simple. Now, many people like to pour water from the side. Okay, like this. Yeah, it works. Okay, as you can see, there's water in here. Oop, there's water in there as it spills all over. Almost gets my computer all wet. There we go. We've cleaned that up. Plain and simple, easy peasy, okay? So people pour it like that. People might pour it from the backside. I mean, it spills all over the place. It's gone all over. Okay? It's just politically wrong. Or other people might just pour it from a glass, another glass, from one glass to another, which works, but it's politically wrong, completely wrong. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to have a nice big jug full of water. This is a 1 liter jug, and now you're going to use the spout right here. This little spout that's been created on all jugs. They have a spout. Why? Because you're supposed to properly pour the water out of the spout, just like this. And you have no mess whatsoever. It is nice and dry here. Well, other than it was wet before, but I mean, still nice and dry from the water, from no water spilling on the table because of this spout or spigot or whatever you want to call it. I call it a spout. It's plain and simple. Anybody can pour a glass of water the right way. It is no brainer. It is plain, simple, and straightforward. Now, if you don't know how to do that, then please watch the video again. If you've hit the end of the video and you still don't understand, then keep going back until you finally understand that this spout is where the water is supposed to be poured out of. Not from the side, not from the back, from the front where the little spout is. Plain and simple. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please hit that thumbs up. Subscribe below. Click the little red subscribe button. Also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You guys are beautiful. And thank you for being part of Cooking Squad. And remember, the most important thing is keep calm and cook on.